To create an origami leaf, first of all, you need to cut the square paper into 2 triangle shapes. Fold the square paper in half diagonally. Unfold it and cut along the fold line. Place the triangle shape in front of you. Then fold over the long bottom edge about 1/4 of an inch or 5 mm. Turn it over, then fold the bottom edge and run your fingertip along the fold line. Please repeat until you have a narrow strip of paper. From here, fold the strip in half in the middle. Make sure you have the long side of the strip inside of the fold. Apply a small amount of glue along the inside. Then firmly press down to join the both sides together. Then rest it and unfold the leaf.